great time hanging out with Rick and Aspen, and it was also fun showing Rick some of the new features of the 2015 F-150. When I showed him how the tailgate could drop with just 2 clicks of a button, I could tell he was pretty dang impressed. And he also loved the fact that it was able to tow his horse trailer without any difficulties and over some pretty rough terrain.
I've worked on a lot of ranches through western South Dakota and into Montana. When I see that these ranches are driving Fords, that means a lot. So I think that pretty well speaks for itself. And it's kind of been my mainstay.